It all comes to following the guidelines and being more precautious.
But in some areas, it feels a lot of people aren't. Good evening. I'm Jessica Coons. Vermilion County is seeing a spike in COVID-19 cases. One of their biggest concerns is cases in children. WCI3's Courtney Bunting joins us live in the newsroom. So, Courtney, why do they think this is happening?
Well, Jessica, they say there isn't one single source that these cases are all tying back to, but they think a lot of them are tying to people getting together at their homes and carpooling. At the start of the pandemic, it seemed kids couldn't even get COVID-19. But now we know differently.
They can be very ill, very sick, and even die from COVID.
In Vermilion County, the positivity rate is continuing to rise. It's now at 10%. Public health leaders are concerned about the rising cases in everyone, including kids. OSF pediatrician Zlatka Jeliskova says a lot of the responsibility lies in the hands of parents.
I've seen cases when children wear the same mask over and over again, so they don't wash the mask every day. The mask needs to be cleaned, washed properly, and probably ironed before next use, especially the cloth masks.
Public health leaders say most cases aren't coming from one single event. Even schools in the county aren't to blame, most of which have now gone fully remote. Many of the cases are tied to family get-togethers. Jeliskova says it's important that people think before inviting anyone over.
First thing will be try to space out, like people not to be gathered close together. Clean the house before gathering, after gathering. If the weather permits, do the gathering outside.
And though most kids recover from the virus without serious issues, there are some risks, especially for children with underlying conditions.
We have new development that the virus also attacked the nervous system. So we don't know if that will cause a long-term effect on memory, ability to learn. So if you can prevent it, it's the best way to preserve the child's health.
If you do plan a gathering and want to contact people before it, take everyone's symptoms seriously, symptoms related to COVID-19. It can be easy for people to think that a headache or a runny nose is just allergies this time of year especially, but it's always better to be safe rather than sorry. Live in the newsroom, Courtney Bunting, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
All right, Courtney, thanks so much.